you tired of struggling with stubborn belly fat? Well, get ready to discover the secret method that can help you lower cortisol levels and achieve rapid fat loss. We all know that cortisol can be a major obstacle when it comes to shedding those extra pounds for women. But guess what? I've stumbled upon a secret method that can lower your cortisol and activate your body's fat-burning furnace again. Before we dive into the secret method, let's understand what cortisol is and why it matters. Cortisol, often refers to the stress hormone, is a natural hormone produced by our adrenal glands. It plays a crucial role in your body's response to stress and it helps regulate various functions. But here's the thing. When cortisol levels are constantly high, it can wreak havoc on our bodies, especially when it comes to weight management. High cortisol levels can be a real roadblock on your weight loss journey. You see, when cortisol is pumping through your veins, it triggers cravings for comfort foods, the ones we usually regret later. Ever experienced that intense desire for a bag of chips or a tub of ice cream after a stressful day? Blame it on the cortisol. It messes with our hunger hormones and makes us more prone to emotional eating. Enter the secret method, carb cycling. Carb cycling, my friend, is like a secret method in the battle against stubborn belly fat. It's a dietary strategy that involves strategically alternating your carbohydrate intake on different days. The purpose? Well, it's about giving your body the right amount of carbs at the right time, like a well-choreographed dance. Carb cycling has gained popularity in recent years due to its effectiveness in promoting fat loss. Numerous studies have examined the relationship between carb cycling and cortisol reduction, shedding light on the scientific basis behind this dietary strategy. One study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that manipulating carbohydrate intake can have a significant impact on cortisol levels. The research demonstrated that when individuals followed a carb cycling protocol, cortisol levels were lower compared to a traditional high carbohydrate diet. This reduction in cortisol is crucial because high cortisol levels have been linked to increased abdominal fat storage. Now, let me blow your mind with this. Carb cycling can actually help lower those pesky cortisol levels that contribute to weight gain. How? Well, it's all about understanding the diurnal rhythm of cortisol. You see, cortisol levels naturally fluctuate throughout the day, with the highest levels in the morning and the lowest at night. By strategically titrating our carb intake based on this rhythm, we can work in harmony with our body's natural cortisol cycle. But what does titration of carbs mean? Well, it's a fancy way of saying that we'll be manipulating our carbohydrate intake throughout the day, aligning it with our body's natural cortisol cycle. This method allows us to optimize our metabolism, reduce cravings, and ultimately say goodbye to that stubborn belly fat. A study published in the International Journal of Obesity revealed that carb cycling can positively influence the diurnal rhythm of cortisol. By strategically timing carbohydrate intake to align with the body's natural cortisol cycle, women can optimize their hormone balance and minimize the negative effects on cortisol on fat storage. It's like knowing the secret combination to unlock your body's fat-burning potential. Carb cycling not only helps us manage cortisol levels, but it also keeps our metabolism fired up, preventing it from slowing down. Let me share my personal success story with carb cycling and how it helped me overcome weight gain caused by chronic stress while following the ketogenic diet. Like many people, I initially turned to the ketogenic diet for weight loss and improved health. However, despite following the diet strictly, I found myself gaining weight. Understanding that chronic stress was causing my cortisol levels to spike, I realized that carb cycling could be the missing piece of the puzzle. By strategically incorporating carbohydrates into my diet at specific times, I could regulate my cortisol levels and finally lose the weight I had gained. Another inspiring success story involves one of my clients, a busy working mom of 5 who struggled to lose weight due to her chronic stress and adrenal fatigue. She had tried various diets and exercise programs, but couldn't seem to shed the pounds. Introducing her to my adrenal and stress protocol, which includes carb cycling, proved to be a game changer for her. By strategically manipulating her carbohydrate intake, we were able to lower her cortisol levels and create a more favorable hormonal environment for fat loss. Over a period of 12 weeks, she diligently followed the protocol and witnessed remarkable results. Not only did she drop nearly 20 pounds, but she also experienced increased mental clarity, reduced stress levels, and improved sleep quality. Her success story serves as a testament for the effectiveness of carb cycling in managing cortisol levels and achieving sustainable fat loss, even for busy moms with demanding lifestyles. By incorporating this strategic approach into your diet and lifestyle, you too can experience the remarkable benefits of lowered cortisol levels and achieve your fat loss goals. If you're ready to lower your cortisol levels and achieve sustainable fat loss, I invite you to download my carb cycling cheat sheet. I'll leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.